Here we go. Imagine you just came up the stairs, because we're going to start from upstairs. Upstairs is fully carpeted, and I guess we should start from here. So you come from downstairs. As you can see, the front door is there. Upstairs is fully carpeted. I missed the light here. Here is your first full bathroom upstairs. Right behind here, you have your linen closet. And one thing I want to point out, which is super cute, you'll notice these little doors throughout the house. Right here is bedroom number 1 to the right. As you can see, there's a ton of space in here. Closet over there and a closet there. All right through here is bedroom number 2. Like I said, all the bedrooms are fully carpeted. Closet space here and more space there for like your toiletries and things. You have a full bathroom because there's a shower there. So this is your second full bath. Here's bedroom number 3. So as you can see, all the bedrooms are nice sizes. Nice size bedrooms. Moving right along, going downstairs.